Tila ginigising pa ni Ginebra coach Tim Cone ang kanyang mga players kahit natiyak na silang papasok sa playoffs. Kagabi ay tinalo ng Ginebra ang NLEX 90-80 sa Cuneta Astrodome upang masiguro ang isang playoff stint. May report si Dennis Principe.
Inaalalahanan ni head coach Tim Cone ang kanyang mga players ukol sa kung ano man ang kanilang kakayahan para makabawi sa ongoing PBA Philippine Cup. Papasok na 7 seed ang Ginebra nang magtala ito ng 6-5 win-loss record at maghihintay na lamang sa magiging number 2 seeds pagpasok ng playoffs. Ayon kay Cone, dapat nilang malaman na galing lamang sila sa isang championship experience na sapat naman na dahilan para maniwala sila sa kanilang kakayahan na bumulusok sa upcoming playoffs.
And that's basically what I told the guys. I said, we got to remember we know how to play this game. We're a good team. We know how to play. But sometimes it looks like we forget how. And it's certainly been a struggle for us this conference.
Samantala, aminado din si Cone na mabigat ang kanilang pagdadaanan, sino man sa second-seeded team ang kanilang makakalaban.
But we've taken a lot of big punches from everybody, and we're still standing, and we still got a chance. I think, most likely we'll finish in the 7th seed, and we'll have to do it twice of each, so the road is still very, very tough for us.
Malaki naman ang tsansa ng kanilang perennial playoff foes, Star Hotshots, ang makakalaban ng Ginebra. Depende na sa magiging resulta ng final elimination round doubleheader ngayong Miyerkules. Dennis Principe, PTV Sports.